Let's awaken your creativity with a sweet winter bear. Start with a gentle curve to form the chubby head of the bear. Add a few small curves on the top of the head to create cute, fluffy fur for the bear. Continue by creating 2 ears by drawing 2 small curves, one on the left and one on the right side of the head. Now, let's make the bear's face more lively. 2 small curves just above the eyes to create eyebrows. Eyes with 2 small circles. A cute nose. With a cute smile. Create a large Christmas tree next to the bear. The Christmas tree will be beautifully decorated with triangles stacked on top of each other. Draw one arm of the bear hugging the Christmas tree. Add some decorative balls, cute little bows on the branches. Don't forget the scarf to keep the bear warmer. Draw the bear's left arm. The bear's body will be a bit round and cute. Draw 2 legs under the bear's body, each leg wearing a pair of cute winter socks. And don't forget the lucky star on the Christmas tree. Add a small tail behind the bear's body.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Let's color. Color the entire bear's body with light brown to create a cute and warm look.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Color the eyes and eyebrows dark brown to highlight the bear's expression. Use light brown to color the inside of the bear's ears, creating natural depth. Color the bear's cheeks with light pink to make the bear look cute and fresh. Color the scarf red to create a highlight and warmth for the winter. Color the socks red too, to make the bear's outfit more harmonious. Color the bright star on top of the Christmas tree yellow, creating a brilliant highlight. Finally, color the Christmas tree green, making it look fresh and full of life.
Ho, 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 Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 Merry Christmas!
There you have it! You now have a lovely winter bear drawing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to discover more interesting drawing videos. See you again!